Bonjour, welcome back to the table. Today, we will take a journey down south of France and we will be making a classic French dish, ratatouille. I will be showing you how to make the ratatouille from scratch. But for those of you that don't have time, I still got your back. You are going to open the jar that is coming in the Europa Table box, and you will still enjoy a classic French dish, ratatouille. So let's get to it. Et voila, ratatouille. I decided to enhance this dish with nice bone-in ribeye and a side of salad. And this dish pairs really well with Sous-la-Vie Pinot Noir. I hope you enjoyed this Europa Table box with friends and family. Chin ching.